As America's oldest window manufacturer, we here at Mathews Brothers have sometimes been accused of having one foot in the 19th century and one foot in the 21st. But you gotta remember, for 160 years we made classic, traditional putty glazed sash, the kind that used to be made, well, 160 years ago. Our newest product line, the Sanford Hills, is more than just a little influenced by that tradition. For example, it boasts traditional 1 3/4 sash members, 5/8" putty mutton bars, available stained-grade wood-based interior and exterior casings, and nostalgic touches like the brick mold, flat and banded casings, not to mention sill nosing and historic sill nosing. You know, old stuff, 19th century stuff. And even though we maintain the historic accuracy of the aesthetics, the performance is definitely cutting edge. Sanford boasts Energy Star 6.0 and better thermal performance, 3/4" dual, as well as 1 1/8" triple glazing, and performance grade 50 structural performance without upgrades. With the introduction of the Sanford Hills family, we're proud to say that everything new is old again. You can see for yourself, but only at better lumberyards and window professionals, or on the web at MathewsBrothers.com. Mathews Brothers with 1 T, America's oldest window manufacturer.